Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by x. Next, we have y, and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 2 over s with the positive next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. And we have e to the power of 2f and s. And I will put number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And we have s squared. That means we need to multiply both sides by s squared. So this one we have 2s. This one we have s sine s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So, we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have s squared y. Now we need to consider about this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. dv that is about sine s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine s. So we have this one. And now we have u multiplied by v, and that is about negative s cosine s minus we have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration cosine s ds. So the integration of cosine s, that is about sine s, and I will put about c. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So we have the conditions. So when s equals to b over 2, y equals to number 1. So we put b over 2 gone here, and b over 2 gone here, and here, and here. Number 1 we gone here. So we can find the value of c. cosine b over 2, that is about number 0. Sine b over 2, we have number 1. This one we simplify and we have b to the power of 2 over number 4. Now we put number 1 go to the left and we have like this. So I will put this one go back in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.